Hey YouTube, it's Erin, and I am the Handbag Housewife, and I'm back again with another video. Today's video is going to be kind of a vacation vlog, a review on this little bag here, the Baby Nikki, as well as a what's in my bag towards the end. I hope you enjoy. Hey YouTube, I am currently at the Oklahoma City Thunder game in Oklahoma City, and I am sporting the Baby Nikki. Super awesome handbag for something like this. It is very lightweight and comfortable, and I probably will put it on crossbody once I sit down. We are here early, so the players haven't even got out here to warm up, but I haven't been to a game here before. I think I've been to maybe some kind of events here, but I'm excited to watch some basketball today. Okay, so now I have her on crossbody. You can see that she sits in my lap super comfortably. I know it's really loud in here, but isn't that pretty with the leopard? I love it. It's so soft, so squishy, and
it's now time to lock in your tickets for the 2020.
This is pretty cool. We were all blue for a second there. Approaching our destination. It is snowing outside. Skiing should be good tomorrow. It's not warm like it is on a lot of spring break trips. It's 34 where we are right now, which means it's probably 24 on the mountain. Just pulling into Crested Butte, Colorado, or as we like to call it affectionately, Crusty Butte. It's snowing pretty hard, so you can't even see the mountain, but if we go straight here, we get to go up to Mount Crested Butte, which is where we're going. But if you turn, you get to see Elk Avenue, which is the historic downtown area, and I'm sure we'll be there at some point later this week for dinner. It's a pretty cool little town though. Walking down the mountain, just got the skis for the boys. There's one of my boys, headed to the condos. Sorry, I'm so jerky, but it's sort of slippery out here. Can't even see the mountain right now. Here is our view from the condo, and the sun came out for just a moment, so that is Mount Crested Butte. I was actually married in Crested Butte, and if I get a chance, we'll drive by the church and I'll show you where. But we did our rehearsal dinner and our reception up here at one of the places right at the base of this mountain. Okay, so I have showed you a little bit of Crested Butte, and I'm not sure I'm going to show you any more. We're headed home soon, but I thought I would show you what I kept in my Baby Nikki since I've had a chance to use her for the week. She's been very easy to use. The leather is amazing. Feels really good. Doesn't really feel like patent leather at all to me, despite the coating that's obviously on it. I did find a couple little chips on the plate, and they're tiny. They look like a reflection. They're by the bottom two screws that go through the YSL emblem, but that's okay. You can't see them at all, unless you're examining extremely closely. But let me go ahead and show you what I've got inside the bag. You can see there's just oodles of room left. My phone is not in there, but I have oodles of room left in this little bag. So I have my Chanel hand cream. I have this little jewelry pouch that I keep medicine in, and a cloth for cleaning my glasses. I have this pouch, which I keep lots of things in, especially things like Tide to Go sticks and nail files that could damage the inside of my bag. I have this Prada card holder, which I love. I have this Louis Vuitton key clay. I keep all the extra cards in there. In the back pocket, I've got some cash, a check, and a couple of cards, but they aren't credit cards. They're like coupon cards and punch cards. I have my key fob and a hair tie. My AirPods case. A pack that I have nosebleed things in, and I've got Afrin in there just in case. And that is it. Now it's like a black hole, but you can see I have all that in there, and I could definitely fit my phone as well, no problem. So that's what's in my baby Nikki, and I hope you've enjoyed this little bit of a vacation vlog and what's in my bag. I would definitely recommend this bag. If I found another color that I liked for the right price, I would buy it. But for now, I'm happy with this one. She's a beauty. If you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, what are you waiting for? Do it and ring the notification bell so that you are notified of future exciting content such as this. Also, go find me on Instagram. The name there is the same. Is the @ then the Handbag Housewife, all lowercase. You can DM me there, or you can email me at thehandbaghousewife@gmail.com. If I don't hear from you, I will see you again real soon. Take care and have a fabulous day. Bye.